If you're building an outdoor wood project with pressure-treated lumber, the screws you choose matter more than you may think. I'm building a double gate for my fence, and it's going to move, carry weight, and live outdoors full time. So today I'm comparing the GripRight exterior screws with the DeckMate deck screws, and which one makes more sense for this project. Now both of these are designed for pressure-treated lumber, which is critical. Modern pressure-treated wood contains copper-based chemicals that will eat regular screws alive. So right out of the gate, both of these pass the minimum requirement with polymer coatings designed to resist corrosion. Now starting with the GripRight, these have a sharp point, coarse threads, and a bugle head, and the sharp point bites fast, especially helpful when you're working with thicker gate rails or doubled up material. The coarse threads do a good job pulling boards tight, which is exactly what you want when assembling a gate frame so that it stays square. The bugle head countersinks cleanly and doesn't mushroom the wood, which matters if you care how the gate looks. Now the DeckMate screws add a few features that really show up during longer builds. The big one is the Type 17 cut point, which acts almost like a drill bit. It reduces splitting near the end of boards and usually eliminates pre-drilling, and that's important when you're fastening pickets close to the edge. They also use a star drive, which is a big upgrade over the Phillips head. You get far less cam out, better torque transfer, and you're not stripping screws halfway through the job. The undercut nibs under the head help create a flush finish without tearing up the wood fibers. So which is better for a pressure-treated double gate? If you're building a heavy gate, especially one with diagonal bracing and thicker framing, both will hold, but DeckMate takes the edge just by a little bit. The Type 17 point helps prevent splitting, the star drive is more forgiving, and the consistent countersink gives a cleaner finished look. The lifetime guarantee is also a nice bonus for something that's going to live outdoors year-round. That said, the GripRight exterior screws are still a solid choice, especially if cost matters or if you prefer a simplified traditional screw. They grip well, pull joints together, and are absolutely suitable for exterior gate construction. But bottom line, for a one-and-done gate that's strong, clean-looking, and easier to install, DeckMate is my preferred all-around option. If you already have the GripRights or some exterior screws on hand, you are not making a mistake. But if you're buying specifically for a double gate or a heavy wood project, the DeckMates are definitely what I would reach for. So hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.